Escape to a charming 2-bed 1-bath home sits on 1.9 acres of land, perfect for a mini farm or a peaceful retreat. The property features a large basement, providing ample space for storage and potential renovation. This property, being sold as is, offers a great investment opportunity for those looking to put in some TLC and make it their perfect home place. With its rural setting and picturesque features, this property has the potential to become a tranquil haven for those seeking a peaceful lifestyle. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.